Hey everybody, and welcome back. I posted a video a couple weeks back that I wasn't able to play my Assassin's Creed Shadows game on the Lenovo Legion Go S, but I finally figured out a way to get it to run, and it was fairly simple. So here's the video for how I got it to run on the portable handheld here. The way that I did it is by just first going into the desktop mode. So you just go down to the power settings, switch to desktop. And here you'll also notice that I've got a dongle set up on my, connected to my USB-C connector here. At the top, there's two of the USB-C connectors, but I have it connected here to my mouse, as I find that it's quite a bit easier to navigate around the OS here. So first what you're going to do is you're going to get into the, you're going to pull up your keyboard, and that's by just pushing the Steam button here and X at the same time. And then you're just going to type in Proton, enter, then I hide that, and then what you're looking for is this app right here called ProtonTricks. I've got it installed, but when you first use it, you'll have to install it. It takes a couple of minutes, but once it's done, you'll be able to click launch. And after launch, you'll get this setting, these settings here, where you'll be able to select your Steam app for which you'll be setting up the Ubisoft Connect software connector. So what we do here is you can select Assassin's Creed Shadows, press OK. Once this screen pops up, you're going to select the Install an Application option from the second from the top, click OK, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see Ubisoft Connect, and you select that and you'll have the check mark. Once you do that, you just press OK, and you walk through the next couple of steps to get that all connected. And once you've got that installed, you should be able to get the software to run no problem back in your gaming mode. So I'm just going to press exit out of here, as I'm not going to run it right now. And then we're going to go back to return to gaming mode. And you'll be able to see here that I'm able to run the software. And there we go. That's about it. You've got the Steam connection here, and then if it's the first time running it for the day, there might be an Ubisoft. Oh, there we go. The Ubisoft Connect setup is done, and the game starts loading. There we go.